lisod ko rin sila karon taon-taon. Okay, so mao ni sila karong nga grading period. Ay may hapon di ay. Sa ating formal meeting ha, pag-pray na taon niya. Kanang kuan, kanang nga period, grading period, ubay-ubay di sila na karga. Pwede yung panitamon. Okay, so mao na ni siya ang kuan, pinaka-top. Okay, so basahon ako. So, Baguio Linya Elementary School Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Marion Stephanie G. Irame in recognition of her exemplary performance in achieving an average of 96% during the second quarter of school year 2023-2024, given this 13th day of February 2024 at Baguio Linya Elementary School, Magugpo North, Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Philippines. Signed, Ivania Flores, Advisor, Bridget B. Asas, Principal. Marion Stephanie G. Ramis is with high honors. Next is with honors now. So with high honors, 96 pataas. Ang with honors kay 90. Okay. Another certificate is given to Dean Jensen S. Tabuno with an average of 90% with honors. So muna sila ang mga with the high honors and with honors. Kani sila may lagi ko ani, may lagi ko ani, kanang kulang ani. Pasigo pa ning siguro makarga gyapon sila pagkaabot sa 9% top performing student. King Harold P. Encenso, 89% top performing. May na-joy, kulang na lang yun. Sana lang, makarga lang ginisunod ba? Oh. Joshua M. Corativo, 88%. Okay, Dorothy Lane P. Andaya, 88%. Janice Gail B. Lorigas, 88%. Marion, ito Cebu pa man.
Cebu pa.
Marion. Iyan pa ayo. Kamu din sila. O, tama na ayo. Malapit. Kita ka ayo. Ay, malapit din. O, ay, malapit din. Aron ko ang klaro sa picture. Okay, next is top performing is given to